Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, first of all, look at the overall chart of crude. We can see there is a continuous downfall, and this downfall is in the particular zone and it is continuously moving down, and a swing has formed at this particular level. Understand this. Okay, after making a swing at this particular level with a low of $76.18 is a strong support at this particular level and made a high of around $84.85. Okay, this $84.85 is a resistance which is already being tested, so probability will be very high. If the price goes above this level, we can see it can move further upside, and keep this in mind. We have seen a ascending order. If you look at this particular zone, if this zone breakout happens, then we can see it can go further upside because this zone was moving for quite some time. Okay, before we move forward and explain you further, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, and this is the zone, you can say, and it has already break this particular level. That is where we have seen this has moved upside. Now this is the first zone and this is the second zone. Okay, so when this zone has break, we have seen this particular high, and this zone has break, then now we have seen this particular zone upside. So overall, if you look at this, we have seen a descending order. If this zone break upside, that means at this particular level of around 88 or 89, if this zone break, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 92 to 95 is very high. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $86.05. Okay, and if the price goes above this level, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level of around $90.71 because 89 is already a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can touch a level of 91.43 also after touching this particular zone, and if it goes above this level, then there is a probability that it can go towards a level of $95. Okay, and if the price move above this level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $97.77. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $99.8, and from there we can see it can go further upside. So you have to keep this in mind. If the price goes above $99.8, then there is a probability of moving further upside because this zone high will be break, and we can see it can go towards a level of $104 to $109 also, and you can check my previous video if the price goes above $104. Okay, now understand something, that the market is being very volatile. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone also, there is market moving upside as well as making lows. So what we can see, if a swing formed at this particular level, suppose if swing formed at this particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $83.95. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around $80.36. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $79.11. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can touch a level of $77.85. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $76.23. Okay, and this $76.23 is a resistance support which is already being tested, so probability is very high. We can see it can fall further and can touch a level of around $74.25. Okay, and after that what we can see, it can move further low and a probability of moving further downside towards a level of around $70.88, and from there we can see a level of $69.94. Okay, and keep this in mind. If the price fall below 77, the next support coming at around $68, which I have already explained you in my previous video, a strong support. Okay, so if it goes below this level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $68.31, and if that level goes further down, then we can see a price of crude can go further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.